Hi, I'm Manu. I'm doing my ME final year in Embedded System Technologies at Vailtech Multitech Dr. Rangarajan and Dr. Shakuntala Engineering College. Now, I'm going to explain my project. My project title is An Potential and Accommodative FER Filter Layout Hardware Implementation Using Verilog. It has been guided by Misty Geeta Priya, Assistant Professor of our department in Vailtech Multitech. Finite impulse response filter finds a variety of applications in the field of digital signal processing. Digital filters which attains a zero impulse response within a shortened duration is called as an FER filter. Criteria which is going to be considered in this project is area and the power consumption. My objective is to develop an FER filter using a distributed arithmetic with reduced area and power. Carry accumulation is used in the inner product computation for reducing the area as well as the power. Existing system in this FER filter is designed using a multiply and accumulate mechanism. In the FER filter, the output is obtained as a linear convolution of the weights and as well as the inputs x of n. For designing an n-order filter, it takes an n plus 1 multiply and accumulate units. MAC is a process of adding and multiplying two registers in an accumulation register. This is the diagram of my existing system. When you consider this diagram, desired signal as well as the x of n plus 1 input signals is given as an input for the FER filter. FER filter then removes the noise present in the signal. This is the operation of the filter. Methodology used in the existing system is multiply and accumulate unit. Drawbacks are area is very high and required extra auxiliary unit. Proposed system, it is used to design an FER filter architecture which is efficient as well as an adaptive. Combination of the filter is reduced from the large orders into smaller blocks. DA based implementation is used mainly in the inner product block for reducing its size. This is the diagram of my proposed system. This is similar to that of the existing system. The only modification which is going to make in the system is the 4-point inner product blocks. There are four 4-point inner product blocks and I am going to reduce the size of it. Methodology used in the system is distributed arithmetic. The benefits of the proposed system are low area as well as low power consumption. Hardware and software requirements are, the software requirements is ModelSim 6.4C, Xilinx 9.1. Hardware requirement is FPGA Spartan 3E kit. Modification or the innovation which is going to be made in the existing system is in order to reduce the size of the 4-point inner product block. In the 4-point inner product block, there are three main modules, that is distributed arithmetic table, 16:1 mux and carry save accumulator. Among these modules, the carry save accumulator is the only possibility to reduce the size of the block. Modules involved in the FER filter designing is inner product block, distributed arithmetic and carry save adder. Inner product block, operation is based on the summation of k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 wk into xk, where wk and xk takes the values between 0 to n minus 1 of the current weights and the inputs of the filter. The bit slices of the filter is given as input to the distributed arithmetic table, and then it is sent to the mux followed by the carry save accumulator, which is explained as follows. In this diagram, this is the diagram of the 4-point inner product block. It consists of three main blocks, that is distributed arithmetic table, 16:1 mux and carry save accumulator. In this, input x of n plus 1 is given to the DA table. After that, the inputs are sent as 15 inputs from LSB to MSB to the 16:1 multiplexer, and output of the multiplexer reduces the inputs to one output which is being sent to the carry save accumulator. Distributed arithmetic. It is a bit serial commutation technique used in the proposed system. It can be applied only when the number of elements in a vector is nearly same as that of the word size. When it is same, it replaces the explicit multiplications into the ROM lookup tables. By using this technique, nearly 80% of area reduction can be achieved in DSP hardware designs. This is a carry save adder design. It has been designed with a modification. The modification is, when compared to that of the existing system, is the full adder is replaced by two half adders. This is the modification which I have done in the proposed system. Operation of the carry save adder, that is, it reduces the addition of three numbers into two numbers. The delay is very low in carry save adder when compared to that of the other adders like carry look ahead adder. These are the simulation result of the existing system. It has been obtained as a result of ModelSim software. This is a photograph of my hardware module which I have used in my project, that is Partron 3 kit. This is a simulation result of my proposed system which has been obtained using the ModelSim software 6.4c. By using the simulation result, I have confirmed that my design for the proposed system, that is proposed FAR filter design, has been correct and validated using the ModelSim software. It is a continuation of this. It is a power analysis which I have made between the existing and the proposed system. In this power analysis, when you consider the existing system, it has been found the total power consumption is 70 milliwatt, and when in the proposed system it is 57 milliwatt. Nearly there is a difference of 20 milliwatt power reduction in the proposed system. This is the area analysis which I have obtained between the existing as well as the proposed system. In the existing system, the total gate count has been found to 21,261 gates. It is made only for the existing system. And next is my proposed system area analysis, that is a modification. After making my modification, it has been found in my proposed system the total gate count has been found to be 21,036 gates. So nearly I have reduced 225 gates from the existing system. That in my proposed system there is a greater reduction in area. This is the RTL schematic which is obtained for my proposed FAR filter design. This is a continuation of that. This is the technology schematic view of my proposed system. Conclusion: thus an efficient and an accommodative FAR filter has been designed using a distributed arithmetic technique. From the synthesis results as well as the area consumption results, it has been found that the designed FAR filter has less area reduction, as well as the power consumption of the FAR filter has been found to be reduced. Thus, this reduced FAR filter can be used in many applications in the field of digital signal processing, image processing, and wherever the FAR filters can be used. These are my references for my project. Thank you.